So, even if you're guessing, sabi mo, baka meron siyang pabalik, yung ibabalik sa no, yung panlaban.
Oo, bigantihan
Baka may listahan siya ng mga tao na sabihin niya na, bakit ako lang?
Tama.
Bakit ako lang ang ganyan? Napili yung ma-impeach. Ito yung mga ibang taong ang daming perang binursa. Di ba? So that's possible that there are people who may not like the proceedings to take place because of the information that the people will get from the presentation of the prosecutor's case.
Medyo medyo gangster din yung datingan, no? Parang kumbaga it was a public saying o basically pag pinayagan mo to, damay kita. Parang gano'n. No?
Gano'n. Parang gano'n. Kasi hindi lang delay meron pang isipan na dismiss.
Oo nga
to stop.
Enzo Recto, kalaban ang katiwalian at kasinungalingan, kakampi sa katotohanan at kabutihan.
Which is magandang segue sa ating actual topic. There is a looming impeachment for our Vice President. And for some reason, hindi siya nangyayari kahit marami namang legit complaints against it. Very public ang mga nangyaring kasalanan and everything, and people know. And yet, for some reason, our legislators have something to say about it, and it's not pushing through. So, what do you think is tawag doon? Within the Constitution ba yung ginagawa nilang how do you say this? Postponement?
Well, it's sa akin, we've had tatlo ng impeachment cases, and this is the first time na there's an obvious attempt to delay the proceedings and possibly even stop it. So, yung articles of impeachment are already transmitted ng House, pinadala na sa Senate on February 5. Ang unang excuse na kinamit nila, they were on recess. Tapos next is, campaign period na sa election. So it cannot be done before May, before elections. And then after that, in-schedule nila for June 2. And then they postponed it again to June 11. So there is merong the steps they're taking make one believe that they're trying their best to delay or derail yung impeachment case.
And these things that they're doing, technically, is it legal what they're doing? Or if you frame it ng talagang, alam mo yun, may motivation to kind of like, may political motivation to delay it, baka yun na yung ano.
Well, actually, kasi kung titingnan mo yung, I'm going to read it, because there were so much arguments about it. Yung point na when should take place, no? And it says here that in case the verified complaint or resolution of impeachment is filed by at least 1/3 of all the members of the House, the same shall constitute the articles of impeachment. And here is the phrase, and trial by the Senate shall forthwith proceed.
Yun yung...
Ang daming debate. Ano ba yung sabihin ng forthwith proceed? sabi ko, tingnan lang yung dictionary. It means immediate.
Yun nga yung mismong dinedebating word, no? Yung forthwith na sinabi forthwith, hindi immediately. Pero synonymous yun eh.
Pareho. Kaya nga obvious. It's obvious na there is an attempt to delay and hopefully by them to derail yung impeachment process. This is a guess, no?
Yeah.
Para sa tingin ko, they don't like the trial to proceed. Kasi parang pag pinresent ng prosecution yung evidence at saka yung charges and the evidence for it, baka magulat ang tao doon, no, na ba ganun pala si Vice President, no? Yung, first of all, yung assassination.
Of course.
And then there is the question of funds that cannot be explained.
Yes.
About 600 million.
Yung mga resibo na sobrang labo.
Ayaw nila siguro, parang ayaw nila na ma-discuss publicly lahat ng kakulangan o mga charges against Vice President. Tapos, there's always the question of when the Vice President said, "Oh, let us umpisahan na natin ang bloodbath."
Bloodbath, okay.
Ano ibig sabihin?
Oo nga.
No? So I mean, if you're guessing, sabihin mo, baka meron siyang pabalik yung ibabalik sa yung panlaban.
Oo. May gantihan.
Baka may listahan siya ng mga tao na sabihin niya na bakit ako lang?
Tama.
Bakit ako lang ang ganyan? Pinapili yung ma-impeach. Ito yung mga ibang taong ang daming perang binursa. Di ba? No, so that's possible that there are people who may not like the proceedings to take place because of the information that the people will get from the presentation of the prosecutor's case.
Medyo medyo gangster din yung datingan, no? Parang kumbaga it was a public saying o basically pag pinayagan mo to, damay kita. Parang gano'n, no?
Oh, gano'n. Parang gano'n. Kasi hindi lang delay meron pang isipan na dismiss.
Oo nga eh.
To stop.
Which is it possible to do so?
No.
Given that situation ngayon?
No.
Kahit anong, but these are very powerful
Kasi
people.
mandate of the Constitution is for the Senate to try the case.
Yeah.
I read the provision, no? Na yun ang kanilang yun ang utos sa kanila ng Constitution. So they cannot stop it.
Yeah.
They have to conduct the hearing.
Oh, that's why until now ang tactic nila is delay.
Delay. Baka people will lose interest. Sabi, tama na yan.
Wala yung public pressure.
So we don't know, right? And the 20th Congress is still to meet July 28 yata.
Yeah. End of the month.
So we will know how they tackle it. But if you talk to the people like the justices of the Supreme Court and so on, they'll tell you that it is a continuing body yung Senate, and it passes on yung impeachment case to the 20th Congress.
When these group of senators voted and then they were against the impeachment, pinapublic pa parang there were media articles on it na who were against, who were for ganyang klaseng the impeachment or whatever. We really thought, like kunwari, siguro yung the common people na hindi masyadong aware, we really thought na parang, okay, so the Senate can decide against it. Not knowing na after a while na nilabas nila yung decision na yun, they shouldn't have any power to go against it pala. Parang even deciding, even yung tipong nag-huddle sila, and then dapat hindi nila ginawa yun.
Well, I think they were hoping na mapapalusot nila na parang dismissal and it's accepted by the House, for example. Hindi eh. Kasi the House has the exclusive power to initiate tapos the Senate naman has the sole power to try and decide the case. So ibig sabihin, if you disable either one, hindi masusunod ang Constitution.
So it's very unconstitutional to do so. Kasi kumbaga parang pinasa na sa'yo ng House to, do your job. Then basically
we have done our job.
They've done our job.
Now you do your job.
Tama. And then they're basically saying, we voted and we feel like we don't want to do the job. Parang ganun, no?
Yeah, kasi after that meeting, di ba ni recess? Ang unang I think the initial proposal was what? What's the word they use? Recant.
Parang ganun po.
Recant. And then they met again and gawin na lang natin review kasi yung recount automatically parang implies dismissal. So review. Meron mga senator, hindi, yung review can also be interpreted as dismissal. Kaya dinagdag nila yung is not dismissing or terminating the case.
Nagdagdag sila ng terminologies para ano.
And moreover, pinadala na nila ng summons si Vice President. And they took the oath of office. So ang argument ng House, I think is also a good argument na you've actually accepted the although it was not read formally, but by taking the oath and issuing the summons, you have accepted the
process.
The articles of impeachment.
So technically nagsimula na tayo. Parang gano'n.
Actually, nagsimula na sila.
Nagsimula na.
Nag-issue sila ng summons.
Tama.
Diba?
Kasi
So, inumpisahan na nila yung process.
Oh my God. So wala talaga. Kailangan talagang you have
Tuloy.
to tuloy ito.
Yes.
Oo. Is there, alam mo naman, sorry sir, like we do have constitution, pero alam mo naman, ang implementation ng constitution dito is very problematic. And these are powerful people in our legislative department. Kung ganun. These are the senators, no? They have the political will, do you think so, na talagang to wiggle around this and perhaps delay it when, kung hindi mo matapos, but very, like, talagang super delay it ng matagal na matagal, maybe until 2028, di ba, na baka may bago ng presidente.
Ikaw naman yung 2028. Ikaw naman.
Pero,
3 years.
kasi naman, sir, sa Pilipinas tayo, sir, syempre, ang expectation ko is talagang grim. So, seeing na nakakalusot tong mga to sa delay na ganyan, inisip ko, hanggang kailan sila, until when can they stretch it out? Or gaano kaya talaga to bago magkaroon ng comeuppance tong mga to? Or,
I think na tutuloy na ang 20th Congress.
Okay. So we have like mga
Yes.
like 20 days.
Well, July
28.
28.
Yeah.
And so you know, sa akin, they cannot avoid it. That itutuloy ang impeachment process. They cannot avoid it because it's a constitutional mandate.
Yes.
Ngayon, kung talagang gipitan,
Yeah,
the House or anybody,
Yeah.
no? Because after all, itong Article 11 is meant to protect the people
Yes, exactly.
from public officials
Yeah.
who have betrayed the public trust.
Yes.
Diba? So, sa akin, hindi pwedeng hindi matuloy ito. Tuloy-tuloy ito. Nadili lang nila for whatever reason.
Bunyog, halikan na kasama ka. Bunyog, kapag buklod ay may pag-asa. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, isa ang pananaw. Sa bagong Pilipinas ang bunyog isisigaw. Bunyog.